How to add Google Tasks to desktop shortcut. So in this, I have in here my Google Tasks, and our purpose right now is to add in here our task into our actual desktop. So how do we do that? So in order to do that, what we can do is we can go over to task.google.com. Once you're in here, click on these three dots right here. So if you're currently on your Google Chrome, you can find the option to do this by going to Task, Save and Share. Alternatively, if you don't have the Google Chrome and you have other Chrome or other browsers, you can go over to the More Settings or search where you can actually add it. As you can see, we have this option to install Google Tasks, or we can also create a shortcut. So you can just install a Google Task and it will appear as an application, or you can also click on this create shortcut option. Let's name it task and click on create, and it shall be created into your actual option right there. So for example, this is what it looks like right now into our actual PC, and this is the apps right here. Here's the task. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.